In today's guide, you will learn how to convert photos to PDF in an iPhone. I will take further step and walk you through on how you can share the PDF file after the conversion to email. And I'm going to use Gmail for this, and also how you can share the same file to WhatsApp. So let's get started. Converting a photo to PDF in an iPhone is easy, okay? First, open the Photos app, okay? Now, get to the photo you want to convert to PDF, alright? So here, let me work with this receipt, okay? So tap on select the picture, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, then I will select the copy option, okay? Now that I have copied this photo, I want to go on and paste it somewhere, okay? So from there, I will do the conversion. So I'll get to home. Then I will open the files app, okay? So I'll tap on that. Remember, here we are not using any third-party app. This is inbuilt in iPhone, okay? So I will long press on an empty space, and then I'll select the paste option. Okay, you can see I'll paste the photo I just copied, all right? So it's now time for us to carry out the conversion. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Go with the options select. Then tap on the photo. After the photo is selected, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Look at the option here. One of the options here is Create PDF. Tap on Create PDF. Alright, the PDF format of this photo has now been created. For you to confirm that, select it and go with Get Info. You can see the details here state that this is PDF document, okay? Done. Alright, I would like us to share this PDF now to people, so I'll be sharing that using Gmail first of all, okay? So I'll tap on three dots at the top right, then go with select. Then I'll select the PDF file now. Then I will tap on the share icon, which is at the bottom left, okay? Then I will select Gmail from the options. Alright, here, let me send this to customerbase2019@gmail.com. Alright, that's the email I want to send it to. Then I'll give this a heading. Please use the PDF. Please make use of. Okay, let's say PDF. Alright. I can compose something in the compose mail section. And after that, tap on the send button. And done. This guy that has this email address has now received this PDF file, okay? Alright, let's now share this PDF from here to WhatsApp user, okay? Long press on the file, select share. Then get to the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Then get to the contact. Here I want to share this file with Mike, so I'll tap on it and then tap on next. Tap on send. Okay, let's get to our WhatsApp now to make sure that this is sent in PDF format. And here we go. This is being sent to Mike in PDF format. So it's that simple, okay? Please subscribe to my channel to get notification whenever I publish new tech videos. Hit the like button and leave a comment. See you next time.